Hi children, good morning. How are you? In the last classes, you have learned about a map, a globe, differences between a map and a globe and landforms. Children, today class remaining landforms and water bodies. Water bodies. OCEAN, ocean. Second one children, SEA, sea. Third one, COAST, coast. Fourth one, GULF, gulf. Fifth one, BAY, bay. Sixth one children, LAGOON, lagoon. Seventh one, LAKE, lake. Eighth one, RIVER, river. Ninth one, WATERFALL, waterfall. 10th one, DELTA, delta. 11th one children, ISLAND, island. 12th one, PENINSULA, peninsula. 13th one, CABE, cave. 14th, isthmus, ISTHMUS. 15th, STRAIT, stripe. 16th, ARCHIPELAGO, archipelago. Here children, OCEAN, ocean. Ocean is a large body of salt water. Once again repeat children, ocean is a large body of salt water. There are 5 main oceans on the earth. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Fifth one, Southern Ocean or the Antarctica Ocean. See here children. First one, Pacific Ocean. PACIFIC OCEAN. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Second one, Atlantic Ocean. ATLANTIC OCEAN, Atlantic Ocean. Third one, Indian Ocean. INDIAN OCEAN, Indian Ocean. Fourth one, Southern Ocean. SOUTHERN, Southern OCEAN, Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean. Fifth one children, Arctic Ocean. ARCTIC, Arctic OCEAN, Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Next water body, sea children, SEA, sea. Sea is generally a part of the ocean, partly surrounded by land. Once again children, sea is generally a part of the ocean, partly surrounded by land. Next children, COAST, coast. Coast is the area where an ocean or a sea touches the land. What is a coast? Coast is the area where an ocean or a sea touches the land. India has a large coastal line. Coastal plains are found both on the western and the eastern coasts of India. Coastal plains are characterized by flat, low-lying areas with limited vegetation. The western coastal plains are located between the Eastern Ghats and the Arabian Sea. The eastern coastal plains are located between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Next one children, GULF, Gulf. Gulf is a body of water almost completely surrounded by land with a narrow mouth. Gulf is a body of water. The Gulf is a deep inlet of the sea. Inlet means a place or means of entry. Children, BAY, bay. Bay is a water body enclosed by land from three sides with a wider opening. In other words, the Gulf is a deep inlet of the sea, while a bay is a broad inlet of the sea. Lagoon. 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 Lagoon is a shallow body of salt water close to the sea, separated by a narrow strip of land. Next water body, lake children, Lake. Lake. Lake is a large body of water surrounded by land. Once again repeated children, a lake is a large body of water surrounded by land. Example, Pulicat and Kolar are some of the lakes in India. River children, R-I-V-E-R, river. River is a large natural stream of fresh water flowing on a land towards an ocean, sea, lake or another rivers. River is a large natural stream of fresh water flowing on land towards an ocean, sea, lake or another river. People use water from the rivers for irrigation. The melting ice and snow on the mountain tops provide water for the rivers. Most rivers take their birth on the mountains. They also start flowing from lakes, glaciers, or natural springs. There are many important rivers in India. The most important is the river Ganga. The river Ganga flows from a glacier called the Gangotri in the Himalayas. The river Ganga is made up of two rivers. They are the rivers Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. The river Brahmaputra starts from a spring near the Manaswar lake in Tibet. The river Narmada and the river Tapi flow through the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. The source of the river Krishna is near Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra. It flows through part of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The mouth of this river is in the Bay of Bengal in Andhra Pradesh. Next, waterfall. Waterfall is a place where water flows over a vertical drop in the course of a stream or river. Next children, DELTA, delta. Delta is an area of land formed by soil deposit at the mouth of a river. Next children, ISLAND, island. Island is a land mass completely surrounded by water on all sides. Several islands also from a part of India. The Lakshadweep lies away from the mainland to the southwest in the Arabian Sea. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the southeast in the Bay of Bengal. The Andaman and Nicobar Island. Next one, peninsula. Peninsula is a large piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. For example, India is a peninsula. India is our country is a part of the continent of Asia. India is a peninsula. A peninsula is a triangular piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. Children, CAPE, Cape. Cape is a pointed piece of land that sticks out into a river. Children, isthmus. ISTHMUS, isthmus. Isthmus is a narrow strip of land that connects two large land masses surrounded by water. Isthmus is a narrow strip of land that connects two large land masses surrounded by water. Strait. Strait is a narrow passage of water that connects to large bodies of water. See here children, archipelago. 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 Archipelago is a group of islands clustered together. Children, I hope you all understood landforms and water bodies. Today's home task, children. Home task, read and write hard words 3 times. Hard words: ocean, sea, coast, gulf, bay, lagoon, lake, river, waterfall, delta, island, peninsula, cape, isthmus, strait, archipelago. Okay children, have a nice day. I will meet in the next class.